everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's another dull weather here in the UK. Still chilly, but spring is coming soon. So it's already 6 o'clock here in the evening, and I'm not working because I don't have car. I had an accident last night. The deer hit my car. Bumper was broken, light was broken, so it's unroadworthy at the moment. So I'm just waiting for the garage to pick up my car and give me a courtesy car so I can go back to work soon. And yeah, I will show you the state of my car. Deer is quite strong. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. My car after the run in front of my car last night when I was driving way home. Look. So just even have the part of the deer there. It's all broken. No car to use at the moment, so I'm not working. I'm waiting for the garage to pick it up for the repair. That deer is so strong. Oh dear. Deer. It's all broken. It's good that I managed to bring it home. Oh look, it's all broken. It's underneath. It's broken as well. Okay, so hopefully they can fix it quickly and can have it back soon. So I'm just waiting now. Hopefully they can come soon as possible. Okay guys, so the garage just arrived and coming to collect my car and drop me a courtesy car, so I have something to use while my car is in the garage. So here we go. Hanging. We're going to take it to the garage now. So here's my other car, a small one. My courtesy car is small, so better than nothing. So it's alright for now. But look at my car. My car is going. They're gonna put new one, everything, yes? It's horrible, look. It's quite horrible, my car there. This deer is so strong. So yes, I'm gonna take my car now to the garage for a repair. Hopefully they can repair it as soon as possible, as quickly, because I still want to use my car. They're so huge. This costs a lot of money, but it's good when you have your insurance, because they're gonna repair for you and you just pay for the excess.